What's up, peeps? Haven't done a video in forever. Like, really long time. So, little update. We're actually getting ready to move back into, well, we technically already moved back into the RV. Building out our house, so weird, random, all over the place with the house. Almost had a tenant who wanted it fully furnished. They flaked out, and then almost sold it. They flaked out, so only thing that I can control is turning it into a PadSplit. So I got like 5 other PadSplits in Jacksonville and they perform great. So the only thing that we had to do is add some walls, add some rooms. We got to stage it. So it costs a bit of money to get into, which is annoying, but it is what it is. So decided to do that. And we are taking off to Sunshine State MX here in about a few days, as long as this project gets done. As you can see behind me, it's taking a minute, so we'll be done here pretty quick. Stager comes tomorrow. Hopefully we can get at least the interior paint done and then just paint kind of the outsides of these walls. Yeah, so we're gonna go to Sunshine State MX, do some riding, go to State Park, Panama area on the 30A on the beach. So probably do some golfing, and then we're gonna go to, but right now, let's walk through the house and see what we got rolling right now. So here's the front door. I don't know if you probably didn't know what the house looked like before, but I feel like my design actually works pretty well. So we got a bedroom here, added a bedroom there. Still have a lot of open space of kitchen and everything. We got a bedroom here. Old office that we're still cleaning up is going to be a bedroom. And then we still have these 2 bedrooms back here. That one's full of stuff. I got lamps and all sorts of crap that's going to be ready to go in here pretty quick. Standard kitchen. This will be the living room. And then the master we have turned into 2 rooms because it was so big. So bedroom and bedroom and then bathroom. So yeah, that is about it. Then we got the pool's rocking and rolling. It's a little cold out, so not really sure how that's gonna work, but yeah, so a lot of stuff to do still. They're working at it. Mainly just baseboards and paint at this point, so really half a day's work left, if that. So it's really not that. I think it's like 80 feet of linear foot wall, so nothing crazy. But yeah, we're moved into the RV in our front yard, and yeah, the dust from all the construction kind of forced us out, which is fine because we needed to move out anyway. So RV's pretty much packed, and yeah, we're back in it. And honestly, it feels freaking huge. I forgot how big the RV was. Like, I don't even know why we moved out of it. Like, just hanging out in it, being outside. I mean, we don't do much in the house anyway. We have a nice kitchen, which is cool, and a big living room, but it is not needed whatsoever. So, yeah, I'm excited. We're both excited to get back on the road, be traveling around, exploring new areas, ride some new tracks, go lose some golf balls all over the place, probably.
1, 2, 3. Remember when you told me that I should take it slow, but I can't stay when the world is waiting. I'm too used to being on my own. Hearts will break, but I have to chase it. I'm dancing on the edge again. The wind is calling my name.
All right, so finally got the house done at the very last minute. So they finished up construction last night at like 10 p.m. I was tired, didn't really want to do anything. So this morning, before photos, we got it completely staged, cleaned for the most part, and set up. So we're heading out tomorrow. We got a bunch of like little here things to do, but let's walk through and let's show you what we did with this freaking place.
This time I'm not looking back, babe. You can change me, you can tell me down. I'll be back, goes in every place I fly. I break the molds with rebels mind. I'm a
that, Sammy? Say hello. It's like, what the hell is that? Is that a stick? Can I play with it? Melissa's working outside in the sunshine because we're at the Sunshine State MX track. The dogs are hanging. Oh, Sam. Barry, what are you doing? We're at the motocross track, so it's kind of loud. But it's super nice out, and we're only here for a few days, so. Then we'll be in Destin, where it's supposed to be like -4 degrees, I'm pretty sure. So.
Well, it's gonna rain.
Yeah.
It ruins all our beach days.
Yeah, so we might be able to do a beach day, but we'll see. We shall see. Hopefully I can ride tomorrow, because it's supposed to rain this weekend. Get some laps in on the track, but yeah, we'll see. Hopefully the weather stays nice. Today I get to ride my dirt bike. Oh, baby.
Are you excited?
Yeah, I am excited. I'll have to try to convince you to take video of me later so it's not just GoPro. Yes. Demand. Melissa's gonna be working. Somebody's got to provide for this family.
Damn right.
Trigger, go get a job. But yeah, get to ride a completely different type of truck than I've ridden in a long time. So this one's more hard packed, lots of ruts, fun jumps. So should be fun. I'm gonna get geared up, do some motos today. Probably won't ride for a couple weeks, so I'm gonna try to ride as much as possible today. So should be fun.
Tries to eat you. He turns you into it. Oh, he just wants to stay distracted.
He's just hanging. It's a guy, yeah. What you think, Sammy? Did it rain last night? Just a little. Got waterfront property, huh? Melissa's running around in her slippers.
My shoes are soaked.
Sandal slippers. Trigger's wondering where the heck we're going next.
I know, he knows we're gonna leave. He's like, boys!
I just saw them take off that way.
Alright, well, where are we going next?
Top Sail. It's over by Panama City.
Yep. Should be fun. We're going to be on the beach, but I'm pretty sure the weather's going to be like this, so we'll see. Should be fun. At least to be on the beach. Go run around. That means it'll be quiet, so worst case, we'll be by ourselves. Let the dogs run free, maybe.
It's my favorite beach. I really hope it's sunny and beautiful.
Yeah, hopefully we get like 1 or 2 sunny days. But we'll find out. We'll be near Panama, so we'll be able to drive over to the Panama area, be on the 30A, Destin. I've never been to Destin. You briefly went to Destin without me, I guess, which I was
We were
unaware
filming
of.
a podcast. I wasn't gonna sit there waiting for you for 5 hours.
Oh, I was doing a podcast currently, so. But all right, we're heading out of here. About a 4-hour drive to Destin, and then we'll see what everything looks like when we get there.